message into an Excel file. I'm in Talend 5.5 and I've created a new business model. We're going to call this test HL7 import. Now that I'm inside the business model, I'm going to create a new job. We're going to call this HL7 import to, and for simple purposes, Excel. I'm going to go over to the palette and search for HL7. I can drag an HL7 input onto the designer, and I'm going to go ahead and drag my Excel, find the Excel output, and drag it onto the designer as well. Going to open the input, browse to an HL7. I have an ADT A01, which is a new patient admit form. As you can see, it automatically parses the HL7 message. I'm only going for the new patient information, so I want to drag this, I need to change my schema, drag this map over, change this to patient ID or PID. We'll grab this for patient last name, patient first name, and let's grab patient date of birth, and just for verification purposes, let's go down here and grab patient SSN. And we'll click OK. Now I'm going to right click and tell that row that I want to connect it to the Excel file. I'm going to open up the Excel file, and it opens up this window down below. I want it to be in the new Excel 2007 and beyond format. I want to change the folder, so we're going to go in here to test, and we're going to call this HL7 ADT output dot x.6. We want to include a header, and we're just going to let it automatically map. We're going to sync the columns to make sure the names are the same, and we will save our project. At this point, we can run it. This part takes a little while, so we'll fast forward. Okay, our project is done. So we will go to the test folder. There's our output. Let's open it in Excel. And there we go. Patient ID number 1. Last name Doe, first name John. We can reformat this to a date, and there's the patient social security number. Thank you for joining me.